Mercedes-Benz EQS review. If here refinement in what matters to you in a luxury car, this is the new champion. The EQS fuse Mercedes old school lux with new age population. Good stuff. Sensational refinement, somewhere in long distance comfort, impressive performance, space, build quality, and teach. Bad stuff. Most of the really standout details like the hyperscreen are expensive extras. Overview, what is it? At least it is a bespoke electric Mercedes. Up until now, there's been a regulations about EVs from the company that invented the automobile, a sense of if we have to, which is why the EQA, EQB, EQC crossover, and EQV van all are all battery stuffed variants of exciting Mercedes underpinning, and as a result, they were heavy and more compact than our ground up clean sheet EV. That's what the EQS is all new, not a electrified S class, but an S class size luxury salon reading on a new platform big enough to contain a massive 107.8 kWh battery in its enormous wheelbase. It's a 5 meter long, reposed to all the EV newcomers. Mercedes is her for the new area and it's thrown everything it's got at this flagship. What are the headlines? You can have rear wheel drive or drives and up to a 484 miles of claimed range, and that's merely the tip of not so much a technological iceberg as an entire lyric of cleverness. We've driven the EQS 450 Plus, which brings the range with a single 325 bhp rear motor and low and hot hatch performance 062 mph in 6.2 seconds and 130 mph flat out. Above this come the EQS 580 Matic. Twin motors drop range to 420 miles but slice almost 2 seconds from the 062 mph sprint. Later, a 700 bhp plus AMG EQS will arrive to duel the Porsche Panamera Turbo S and Tesla Model S played with supercar embarrassing urgency. Be afraid tires. Up to 10 degrees of rear wheel steering gives the EQS the maneuverability of an A class and superlative high speed stability. It rides on air suspensions that can log bumps and share their location with other local marks. Also, colleagues often their suspension in time to chosen the photon. Its cabin is isolated with noise cancelling technology, as you can see from the not at all traditional cabin forward shape. It's the world's slipper's production car with the aerodynamic drag confident sufficient of a greaseproof paper airplane and doors open and close themselves to save you the effort. What about once you are inside? You are in a world of leather, tasteful, unpolished wood, and if you have thick the bow for the optional 55-inch hyperscreen panel, one of the most jaw-dropping automotive interfaces ever devised. It's a super concept car made real.